You looking at me, but I'm looking through you. I see the blood in your eyes. I see the love in disguise. I see the pain hidden in your pride. I see you're not satisfied. And I don't see nobody else. I see myself. I'm looking at the mirror on the wall. Here we are again. Yeah. Through my rise and fall, you've been my only friend. Yeah. You told me that they can understand the man I am. So why are we here talking to each other again?
That you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I had hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I'm there. I remember you say sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead.
She says she likes my watch, but she wants Steve's AP. And she stay out for hours watching QVC. She said she loves my song, she bought my MP3. And so I put her number in my bold BB. I got a black BM, she got a white TT. She wanna see what's hiding in my CK briefs. I tell her wear suspenders and some PVC, and then I'll film it all. I put my JVC. C1, everybody get in position. Pay attention and listen. We're trying to get this in the one take, so let's try and make that happen. Take one, action.
I never watched it, but I want to.